8th March is worldwide commemorated as Women's Day. So on this occasion, the Entertainment Society of Goa is organizing a film festival of women director Mrs. Sumitra Bhave from 8th to 11th March 2016. 18. Mrs. Sumitra Bhave is a 7-time National Award winner and won various state awards also. Till now, she has directed Marathi films, namely Doghi, Zindagi Zindabad, Dharavi, Dhavifa, Vastu Purush, Devrai, Badha, Nitar, Ho Mala Asla Hava, Ek Cup Chai, Bevakt Barish, and Ha Bharat Maza, Samhita, Astu, Kasav. Recently, Kasav won the best film under the National Award category in 2017. So all films will be screened at 6 p.m. on 8th March. The director, Mrs. Sumitra Bhave, will be felicitated at the hands of Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Speaker of Goa Assembly at Macanese Palace. This will be followed by film screening. Lead actor Dr. Mohan Agashe along with director Sumitra Bhave and Sunil Sungtankar will be present for all screening and Q&A session after each screening. This festival is open to all cinephile members and other film lovers. On this occasion, in association with Murgaon Education Society and Ravindra Bhavan Vasco, 2 movies, especially Astu and Kasav, will be screened on 9th and 10th March at Ravindra Bhavan Vasco. This screening will be open for students and parents of all the neighboring institutes.